Hey, hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is December 8th, 2025, Monday, the first trading day of the week. So let's take a look at the account here. So on the watch list, basically VIX is plus 8.1%, so it's a bearish price action here. Any significant moves that we will see here is CRWV minus 8.65%. So it's a very huge bearish price action for this stock. And Fed announcement is coming this week, so everybody is hoping for a interest rate cut here. So let's see how the price action will be, depending on whether it's a hawkish or a dovish outcome. So here are the trades for today. So let's see. Okay. So for CRM, I'm thinking that CRM is going for a bullish price action. So I decided to roll CRM from 275 to 290 from January 23 to February 20. So overall, it's a net positive credit of 0.5 here. And then AMD bought some puts to hedge against the Fed decision this Friday or this week. And sold some puts for STZ expiring December 19, got a credit of 1.25. And then JD roll from December 19 to January 16 here, got an overall credit of 0.24. And also sold more puts for STZ at 133 at expiring January 2nd, 2025 at a credit of 1.4. So why 133 is chosen because of the premium is more than 1% here. So I think that's all for today. So just remember to like this YouTube video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. Yep. So just monitoring is only the first day of the week, and we'll see how the market behaves when Fed decision is going to come out. I think midweek or this Thursday or this Wednesday. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.